going to go in here. She always has leakages here, oh yeah, got a leak. It's running down this. Yeah, it's running down in the buckets. This is the trailer. Guess we'll head into my grandparents' room here. Best option to see the, ooh, that's bright, to see the, storms. I'm not sure where else we can go, really. Oh, the back room there, but it's dark out here. It's darker than dark out here, boys and girls. So it's a Bow Echo. It's a Bow Echo right now, moving over us right now. It's gonna be a wicked day of weather. I'll tell you that much. It's gonna be a wicked day of weather, boys. Actually, we'll go back out to that trailer. The trailer area, the trailer and the trailers. I was like saying the word trailer. Actually, you know what? Dang it, I can't turn off the light so you can see the lightning. I'll stop it right here, guys. I'm gonna stop it right here so you guys can see the lightning better.